at this little Thai carnival street fair right now, and it's great because we don't know what anything is.
Every food stall has this new concept of food to me that I've never seen before.
Headed down south to the land of the pines. I'm thumbing my way to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray to God I see.
So we're at a Thai carnival right now, and it's like a street fair. We're like the only tourists here, and we went past a couple bug stands. I finally said I'd do it. I have no damn clue what kind of bug this is. I'm about to throw in my mouth. I'm kind of scared, but here goes nothing.
Joey's going around trying everything and eating bugs, and I'm not as brave as him, but it's pretty fun to watch.
It's actually really salty. Not bad. I almost like it more than my popcorn.
Like the wind and the rain, rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
I've wanted a hedgehog for so long, and I'm kind of freaking out.
About to get my shooting on for a carnival. It wouldn't be a carnival if I didn't shoot something, so here we go. Let's see how accurate I am.
Running from
Got myself a whatever the hell this is.
a fiddler in an old time string band. My baby plays a guitar.
I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I can't believe this.
I talked Kelsey into doing this Ferris wheel, and it's the most dangerous thing I'll probably ever do. Like, bungee jumping, not as dangerous as this. This thing's gonna fall apart. It's made of tinfoil.
As you can see, this is really tiny and really frail.
Kelsey wants to kill me because the shit I talk her into doing, I don't know how I do it.
Oh my god. It's made of zip ties. There are zip ties holding this together.
It's spinning around in a circle, about 60 feet high maybe. Nah, it's probably a little aggressive, but it still feels really high.
So I would have thought that this is a universal sign, and it's not.
They won't let us off.
They're not stopping me. They just keep going and going. This is not working.
They just wave and go, and we're stuck. Like, we can't get off this thing. It's a joke.
So I'm a little shaken up, and they just kept going around and around and around, and nobody would hear me say stop.